The YouHaveSpace Wall Storage Shelf is a versatile and stylish solution for organizing your CDs and DVDs, accommodating up to 36 DVDs or 60 CDs effortlessly. This metal black wall shelf is perfect for gamers, as it can be used as a video game storage tower, keeping your collection within easy reach and enhancing your gaming room decor. Its functionality is unmatched, allowing you to mount it vertically or horizontally to store a variety of items from books to collectibles, while adding an aesthetic touch to your home decor. Installation is convenient, as the shelf comes fully assembled with necessary hardware, including a mini level, ensuring a hassle-free setup. The sleek black color of the shelf blends seamlessly with any wall decor, making it a suitable addition to both contemporary and traditional interiors. Crafted by BHG, the YouHaveSpace Wall Storage Shelf not only serves as an efficient organizer but also complements your living space with its modern design.